Friends, I am going to explain you very important things who are learning the IT courses or who are completed IT courses and who are struggling to gain more knowledge on your specific IT course. Many of the candidates are doing some mistakes during learning the course or after completion of the course. So what you have to do instead of making mistakes? Okay, so watch till the end of video guys, then definitely this video is very helpful for all entry level candidates and who are struggling to learn any programming language or any IT course. Okay, and also don't forget guys and share this video to your social networking platform, then it will reach more and more people. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button guys. So let us come back into the main topic. While learning course or after completion of course, many candidates are doing some mistakes. What are those mistakes? Let us see first. Okay, so the first one is many candidates are doing, they are memorize the code or theory. They are trying to memorize the code instead of understanding the logic. Instead of understanding the logic, they are memorize the code. They are trying to memorize the code. That is one of the big mistake guys. If you memorize the code, how long time you can remember that code? So instead of that, you have to do, you can take the time. It may take time to understand the logic, understand the flow of the program, but you can remember that code and you can improve your skills as well if you understand the logic, if you understanding the logic of the program or the topic. Okay, so this is one of the big mistakes many candidates are doing. And the second point is, don't start code without knowing what to do. Many of the candidates, they doesn't know why they are writing the code. They simply start write the code without understanding the requirement, without understanding what to do, what I have to take the input and what is the process, what I am going to expect the output. They doesn't know anything, but they start writing the code. Okay, without understanding the requirement, if you start the code, that is blunder guys. You cannot improve your programming skills or logical skills. And the third point is, suppose you are trying to solve one big problem, you are unable to solve it. By the time you just leave that work for next day, but at that time you don't lose the hope. Many candidates are there losing the hope if you are unable to solve the problem. Okay, so you just leave that work for the next day and you continue to solve that problem next day. Even though you have not solved that problem in the next day also, then try to ask help when you need it. But you don't lose hope and don't waste your time. Okay, this is also one of the important thing. Many of the candidates there, they are doing a blind mistake here. Many candidates trying to solve the problem. If they unable to solve that problem for particular day, they are leaving that problem and they are continue by learning next topic. So if you do like that, it's a waste of time also by learning course. Okay, just remember that point guys. And the next one is, and many of the candidates are doing one more mistake, they simply copy the code and paste the code in your IDE. Okay, without understanding anything, they are copying the code and paste the code and they are executing the program and they are getting output and they feel very happy. My work has done. I got output. That's it. But they doesn't know anything about the program, how the program flow, what type of logic they have written. They don't know anything. If you are a experienced programmer, you can do copy and paste the code, taking the code from any online resource. But before that, the programmer or developer must understand that code, whether it is suitable to our requirement or not. So these are the main mistakes many programmers or coders or who are learning the IT course, they are doing mistakes. Then what you have to do instead of them? The first point is you have to take the code and break down it into pieces. That means divide and conquer problem. Okay, you can take any big problem. You just break it into different functions and you can solve it. Then it makes very easy to understand you as well. Okay, and the second thing you have to do is, suppose if you are start writing the code, first solve that problem by using pen and paper, or you can understand that problem, then start writing code. Then it makes you thinking about the problem solving. And the third point is a very important point, guys, that is study other people's code, what they have written, what kind of logic they have written to solve that problem. Because everyone has a unique talent, everyone can write logic in different way. Okay, you can write in one way to solve that problem, your friend write in another way to solve that problem. That's why study others code as well, and also let others study your code as well. Then if you are doing the pair programming, or you can say code review, then it will be very helpful to improve your problem solving skills, and or you can say logical building skills as well. Okay, you can learn in different way, you can learn to solve the problem in different ways. So if you do a pair programming, then it is very good idea to improve your coding skills, and you also get some confidence as well. You can definitely crack the interviews. Okay, and the next point is, everyone knows this point, be consistent when coding. So while you are learning coding or practicing coding, if you take the gaps frequently, then it may not work out as well. So be consistent, at least 1 to 2 hours per day you have to practice it. Take any example, even you can take small problems as well. Okay, but be consistent while you are learning any IT course. Okay, and also one more point you may seen many millions of time, practice makes perfect. And finally, one more word I would like to say, guys, that is patience is also very important. Everything you may not learn in a single day or in a week or in a month or in a year. One thing you remember, guys, in IT field you have to keep on learning only. No one becomes perfect in IT field. You just remember that point. Okay, so you have to keep on learning according to the IT market needs. You have to upgrade your skills. Okay, and also one more point, you have to love it what you are doing job, then only you can put more effects on your work. Suppose if you are not interested what you are doing, by forcefully if you are doing that work, then you may not become perfect, you may not become expert in specific technology. Definitely you have to love it what you are doing, otherwise you may do job but you may not expert in that area if you are not loving your work. Okay, so if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget, guys, please share to your friends, it will reach more people. And definitely these points are very helpful who are learning or who are struggling to learn the code, okay, who are facing any problems. These points are definitely helpful who are start their career in IT sector. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.